Hey folks, man, this is Monk, and we back with another episode of Monk's Box, man. And sorry if there's gonna be any audio issues, man, but I had to take it back to the streets and bring it back outside. It's a hot one, man. I thought it would be cool out here because it just rained, but the boy is burning up, man. But once again, we back, man. And once again, you never know what you're gonna get. And it's perfect, man. This day is hot enough to equal these shoes that we got here today, man. So today we're going to be looking at the Nike Cosmic Unity. This is a new shoe put out by Nike. This is part of their move to zero, Nike's journey toward zero carbon emissions and waste product to protect the future of the earth, dude. The future of sport, at least. It said not the earth, just sports. So yeah, we got a very minimalized box, man. You know what I'm saying? So we can take a look at that. We'll get a we get that. That's the first impression here. But let's get a look at these shoes, man, which are very, very, very interesting, man. So, booyah. This is crazy, man. This is something very unique and very wild, yo. Once I saw this, the write-ups coming up, the news that these were dropping, I had to step out here and get a pair as soon as they were available. But this is the Cosmic Unity. The shoe is made out of recycled materials. Which is interesting because I feel like if we're making stuff out of recycled materials, why isn't the price, reflective of that? You know what I'm saying? We're still paying a premium for these things to save the earth, but I guess that's, I guess you should pay a premium to save the earth. But let's take a look at these details. One of the most standout features on this is the sole and construction, which is very big, very bulky. It is rubberized, so we get that. We get details on this thing as well. 001, I guess that might be an indication of the first iteration of this shoe. They do have other colorways dropping out, but this is the black version that we're looking out here. I think there were a few already out by the time this dropped, and they announced a crazy looking red version. But let's get into what I like. I like this swoosh on here. This thing definitely feels recycled. It is like one continuous piece. It's kind of molded, like it's a plastic that's molded, over, the sole right here, which is crazy. So it kind of has a 3D effect in spots. Even right here, this hump, it bends around. But this sole construction, it's solid all the way through. It comes up over the back too, kind of where the Achilles would hit, that support. We get this strap too that's coming up right here. It says, I believe that's a Nike. Yeah. It's just a really very warped looking end. You kind of see it right here, and then it wraps around to there. We get a little peekaboo right here as well, through this little Achilles support area. This stuff feels really weird. I'm not sure what it's called. It's definitely not React. It's a little bit more rigid than React. But here's another interesting feature at the bottom. We got a window right here. And this is labeled as the Zoom Strobel. So I guess there's some Zoom support, through the bottom of this, that runs throughout. One thing about this thing, it is really, really rigid. The whole construction of this thing, very, very rigid. So I wonder how this is going to feel on foot. We'll definitely provide you some on foot pictures. The upper is going to be, it's like a canvas, but it's all woven through, as well as, we got these support threads that are coming through. See if the camera can pick that up. Comes through and it wraps around, pretty much the whole midsole of the shoe and the toe area. We get more of these boot type laces. That's what I'm used to seeing these laces on, but they kind of crisscross through here and hold everything together. We get some more of this crazy plastic molding, that we see, on the swoosh, also showing up in this area. So that's kind of unique. Let's take this paper out. So on the inside, we also get, an interesting logo, on the inside with the two minds meeting. I guess that's also a similar logo that's on the box. I'm not sure what those squiggly lines stand for. You know what I'm saying? But overall, this is a really unique shoe design, man. I'm definitely digging these. Other reviews I've seen on them saying these are also great, on the court. That's what these are initially for, but you can get away with rocking these anywhere, man. There's definitely some crazy style points going on with these. But overall, I definitely love this shoe, man. This is a Cosmic Unity. And I think that's it. I'm burning up out here, so we're going to keep this one short. And we'll be back, man, for more Monk's Box, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we'll be back for you, man. Boom. All right, peace.